Imagine drowning in lease agreements while maintenance tickets pile up like unpaid rent. Property managers, asset managers, real estate agents, and landlords. We all know the chaos of juggling Zillow inquiries, tenant disputes, and gap compliance. Our pack crushes that chaos with AI powered tenant screening using Plaid integration for instant financial verification. OCR enabled lease abstraction that auto populates clauses, predictive maintenance routing with vendor scoring APIs, and real time cash flow dashboards synced to QuickBooks. No more all nighters with spreadsheets. Unless you're binge watching Netflix again. Here's what's inside the Property Management Pack. Phase 1: AI tenant vetting with fraud detection that cross checks TransUnion data and social media footprints. Phase 2: Smart lease workflows with DocuSign e signature automation and renewal triggers 90 days out. Phase 3: Prioritized maintenance tickets routed via zip code based vendor response SLAs. Phase 4: Gap compliant P&L generators with audit trails. Phase 5: Cash flow forecasting models stress tested against market volatility. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your new superpower? Zero context switching. Installing the property management pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add property management pack. That's it. You just downloaded 12 pre-built workflows, including tenant risk scoring algorithms trained on 10M plus data points and maintenance escalation trees with SMS/email triggers. Your next Claude code session auto-loads the pack. No config needed. Suddenly, your AI assistant speaks propertyware fluently, auto-generates 3-day notice letters, and flags lease expiration risks mid-conversation. It's like magic, but without the wand. Just pure Node.js wizardry. Now go reclaim 10 hours a week.